Look at all these molds I need to organize. Hi everyone, today I'm going to organize all the molds into my drawers. I recently moved and I've been procrastinating in putting my stuff away, but it's time and needs to be done. And to help me organize, I'm going to use this cute little label maker by Moonbeam. They sent it to me so I could try it out, and I'm going to let you guys know what I think of it. By the way, a disclaimer, all opinions are my own and they're not influenced by the company. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. First is the label maker, obviously, and it's so adorable. It's a bear with its cute little muzzle. I chose a white one, but they also carry in brown. I love how it's lightweight and it's rechargeable. I'm used to my heavy Dymo label maker that takes up literally 6 AAA batteries, so this is really nice. This also comes with instructions, charging cable, and a strap. It also comes with 3 different labels, which is awesome, makes it a great starter kit. This one is a yellow plaid, and it's continuous. This one is die-cut translucent glitter, but they call it silver. And the last one is a die-cut white cable label. Wow, that's a mouthful. I know this one is hard to see, but you'll get to see it off the backing later. Alright, let's go ahead and set it up. You will need to download their app and connect the printer to your phone via Bluetooth. This process was simple and easy. So to create the labels, you have 2 options. Light mode is just simple label making, and creation mode is where you can do more editing and customization. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose that one. Amazingly, the machine will automatically know which label you are using, but make sure the appropriate label size is selected. I believe all of these designs here are designs on the actual labels that you can buy separately. I actually bought this cute bear set to use for labeling my son's things. Perfect for labeling back to school supplies. And on the bottom here is where all the editing tools are. I'm going to add a border and an icon, and they have a lot of cute ones to choose from. They also have many cute fonts. However, a couple of fonts didn't work. I'm not sure why, but thankfully reinstalling the app solved it. The cool thing about this label maker is that you can use your own uploaded images and photos. So let's test it out. Alright, not bad. Of course the photo is not going to be high def or anything, but it's definitely a fun customization option. Now let's try printing on the cable labels. Making sure I select the right size label. I'm actually going to put them on my keychains as tags, so I'm going to put my shop name. And look how cute these turned out. These are perfect for small businesses. You can even add QR and barcodes. How awesome is that? Now that I have all my labels, it's time to organize my molds. it's done, finally! I'm very happy with these cute labels thanks to Moonbeam. I highly recommend this as it's super cute, lightweight, functional, and very versatile with endless customization options. It's great for both personal and small business use. The app is very user-friendly with tutorials on how to make these labels. The only issue I had was the glitch in the font, but I was able to solve that problem easily. I do have a coupon code and affiliate link in the description box. If you use my link, I get a small commission at no cost to you. So I'd appreciate a lot if you use it. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!